Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the timers on delay and off delay Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Step 7 microwin software and here we will create a new program. In previous video, already I explained about this windows where we can use timers, bit logics, clocks, communications, all things I already explained. Here in this timers section, this you can see this is the TON timer and this is TONR timer and this is TO off timer. So first I will take my one input, click it on here, go back to the bit logic and click it here, and here we will take one, and here we will choose one TON timer. Double click on this one and after you will got this TON, and here we will give the address of the timer. But first of all I will, for example, here T30 I will choose, T31, and this is, you see, T32 up to T96. This is the 1 millisecond timer. T32 is the 1 millisecond timer, and here you like to which value. For example, I will give this 100, that means 1 millisecond this timer. If I go give 500, for example, this will be 5 milliseconds this one timer. And also if you little hold it on the timer, after you can get the details of 10 milliseconds, T33 up to T36, and T97 up to T100. This is the 10 milliseconds timers, and I choose this one T32 timer and 500 milliseconds, and after I will make it here one output. For example, T32 open contact of the T32. Here also we can choose the open contact T32, and after I will output, make my output also we will choose it from here. Here click Q0.0 I will make, and this program I will download to the PLC. But first of download I will check our communications. We will check it from here and double click on this one. This will be checking our PLC which is connected with our PC. This CPU 224 XPRL is connected, and click it OK. Now you can go to the download and this program will be start downloading. And but first of all click this system block, and after click download, stop the PLC and put it in the run mode, and we will check the status. And now I will give the signal at my physical hardware. I connected I0.0. When I give the signal I0.0, and you can see this is completed is 5 milliseconds. This is completed. Again I will give the signal. See, this is 5 seconds after this is completed the output. And if I use instead of this one a retentive timer, for example, cancel this one and this will be deleted, and I will choose this retentive timer, and here I will choose T36, for example, and T37, not T37, which is the timer range we will check. T65 to T65 to T68. This is 10 milliseconds. If 100 milliseconds, T5 to up to T31. For example, T31 if I choose, this will be 100 millisecond timers. After I put this, for example, 50, this is the 5 milliseconds, and this we will download to the PLC and download this program again and make it the simulation. And now I give the signal at x0.0, and you can see this is now running for 50 seconds. After it will be change his contact. Oh sorry, we will not change this one timer number. If we use it here T31, so we here also have to be choose this T31. Close this one, and T31 when you choose, and after again download to the PLC. And make the simulation on, and you can see this is completed his time T31 92 milliseconds because of this on. And also this we use this timer for retentive timer. You can see it here, TON means on delay timer. Retentive means if once this timers will be complete his value, or where we stop the execution, that will be not leave the value. Any power supply gone, or for example, see I stop the simulation and again I will make the simulation, and you can see it start from where this is the stop. From there this that will be run. So what's how can use, we have to make one more contact for reset this timer. So stop this execution, and here in next network I will take I0.2, and here we will make this one reset. Here we will make the reset T31, sorry, T31, and for one time, and here we will use I0.2 signal, and again download to the PLC. Click on download, click on OK. Now you can see this is our program is now stopped, and make it simulation on, and you can see this is the time is still 105 milliseconds are stored because of we not make the reset. As I give the signal at I0.1, which number we will design it here in network 3, I0.2. I will give the signal at I0.2. As I give the signal at I0.2, it will be reset the timer T31. You can see this is now start from again. See, I give the signal start from, now it will be on, but it will be not stop. As I give the signal again at I0.1, it will goes to the reset. You can see this is the value goes to the 0. And this off delay timer, this also we will take it from here in next relay. This is we will take the on delay timer. First we take the bit, execution bit, and after we will use the timer off delay. For example, T 32, this is the 1 millisecond, but we will if use this 10 millisecond timer. T33 we have to use. For example, T33 I will use. T33 I will use 10 milliseconds, and this execution we will give I 0.3, and here time we will make, for example, 10 milliseconds. We will put 50 also, same like, and again here 1 we will make output T33, and output we will choose Q 0.2, and again download to the PLC and click it OK, and make the simulation on. And now you can see this is the T33. When I make the this I 0.3, I will give the signal I 0.2 1, I 0.2. I have to connect this I 0.3. Wait for a second. See, this is the I 0.3. I give the signal, and it stop after, see, immediately start, but stop after 50 milliseconds, because of we give little time too low, little increase the time. This is 500, we will give 5 milliseconds, and again download to the PLC. Okay, make simulation, and now we give the signal at I 0.3. I give the signal C. Now output is continuously run, and as I remove the signal, after Q 0.0 will be not off. Even wait for this time. When this time will be completed, after this will be off. This is the function of T off delay timer. Start immediately, but after execution is now off, but the time will be completed after this will be off. After 500 milliseconds it will be off. So this is the easiest method to the use timer in PLC. I hope you will be understand about this timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.